Hi, this is Will Beatty with McLeod Clutches. This is our new JL clutch. This particular one is our Trail Pro. What is included in the box is an 11-inch pressure plate, 11-inch disc, steel flywheel. This is our max mass steel flywheel, crank bolts, pressure plate bolts, and our new hydraulic system for that, all in this box right here. Let's go over the features and benefits of each one. What we did is we engineered a disc to mimic the stock clutch JL, or the stock JL clutch disc itself. It has to have that give, just like this disc does. If you look at that give. That allows this disc to still work properly and not get hung up on these input shafts like other discs do. What happens is you go to push the clutch in with an X brand clutch and the vehicle will keep moving or it won't release at all. That's because it gets caught on this, and there's a slight misalignment with these transmissions. So we engineered this disc to work with this transmission itself. Let's go over the options for your Jeep JL, JT, and Gladiator. The first option we're going to have is our Trail Pro. This is an organic lining on both sides of the disc. This is steel back lining, so we don't have to worry about the facings coming off. Second one is our Super Trail Pro. This has a segmented material on one side, organic steel back lining on the other. The third option is our Trail Extreme. These are all the Adventure Series. This has a segmented material on both sides. This one would be used for your guys in the sand, mud, or any type of extreme use. All three utilize the same disc that we engineered for the JL. Okay, let's talk about what we did with the bearing itself. This is our billet bearing. We actually engineered this bearing to work with the factory JL hydraulics itself. So the master cylinder we don't have to change. This actually will plug right into the factory. This is actually adjustable. I don't know if you can see this, but this actually adjusts. So we can set this bearing up in the bell housing itself to work properly with this clutch itself. This is a big benefit because it eliminates all the plastic components inside of that JL itself. And those are very problematic because we have geometry that's going on inside of the bell housing with the factory clutch setup. We don't have to worry about that geometry here. This bulkhead will go in place of where the factory slave is. So simply the two lines that come off of here, one's feed, one's bleed, will come in, screw onto this. The other line will go straight to the factory line, hydraulic line. The other, you put a little tube on it and you can bleed the system very easily yourself. And this ends up being a very great kit, replacing all those factory plastic components. Wait, let's get to the flywheel because this is actually a huge benefit for that 3.6 liter. The 3.6 is a great engine, other than the fact that it just does not make bottom end torque. So what we did is we engineered a flywheel, it's our max mass flywheel, to help that Jeep get on trails, even daily driving on the bottom end. So when you go to take off from a dead stop, this max mass flywheel here, 45 pounds of mass, spinning on the back of the crank, helps move the Jeep from a dead stop. So when you're just idling or whatever, the engine is going to continue to run. It doesn't allow the weight of the Jeep to pull the engine down as easily. And so everything just works so much easier. This is a great benefit. I use my own Jeep. I can put it in first gear and idle around wherever I want to go without it chugging and pulling the engine down and stalling it. So this is going to help prevent stalling. It will also keep the engine running. It provides also a lot of heat sink. And heat is the #1 killer of clutches. You can see this mass here. That's a lot of heat sink. And so it's going to draw the heat away from the disc and actually promote more clutch life. And for you guys that want the ultimate in performance out of your Jeep, as you can see, we offer an aluminum version as well.